Hello, it's Snugsights here from the Minecraft Furniture server. 1.4 is here, and the good news is there are many new decorative blocks. I think we'll see lots of new furniture designs coming out of the new corner stair arrangements, and every time a block or two is added to the game, heaps of new designs come out of it. But I just want to show you a few things using these new blocks to get you started, and a few items of furniture that you can use now to update your interior designs. Okay, let's start with the obvious one. A new simple couch design that uses the corner stairs. I don't quite like the way this looks though. I don't think the seat is deep enough. But I'm really liking this other new seat design that also uses the corner stairs. I think this looks pretty cool. And here's a new neat little table design that just uses the upside down corner stairs the whole way around here. Now this is one of the coolest things. You can use item frames in place of signs or paintings now for the arms of chairs. This works great with birchwood because it matches the edge of the item frame really nicely. You could put an item in the frame to dress this up a bit too. Another great thing about item frames is that two or more of them can occupy the same square. So now we can actually have these old stair chairs sitting one block closer to each other with just one block gap between, and we use the item frames on the side instead of signs. I think these are really great looking chairs. Now here's a very cool way to mount torches on the wall by making a sconce. This is going to look great in a castle or any medieval type builds. So how to make this is by placing the item frame and then putting a cobble fence in and rotating, and then just put your torch over the top. And here's a new computer design. Stone brick stair, item frame, put in a glass pane, stone pressure plate for the keyboard, and I think the cobble fence is probably the closest block we've had that looks like a computer tower. And we can also use the item frame to make a laptop. I'll put an apple in here and there's your MacBook. Now flower pots are a cool addition to the game, but I think they can also be used not only as a flower pot, but they look a little bit like a coffee cup, which you could put on the edge of a couch. And maybe just a cup to put on a dining table to add a bit of detail. Corner stairs are also very handy for making a compact and slim bathtub. And these new anvil blocks work very well as a great looking bench. Something to note is that hatches can now be placed on the upper side of a block, so now we can actually get a nice flush connection to the blocks on the side. This is going to be very handy for some furniture design. I can see a lot of cool concepts coming out of this. The beacon block is a new light source, and it looks really cool as a lamp. I think one thing that a lot of people have always wanted to see added to the game is a clock you can actually put on the wall, and in 1.4 we have that. And it looks good, and it actually tells the time too. But I want to show you something really cool here. I'm going to build a grandfather clock. Wooden planks, piston, item frame, clock, iron bars, item frame, and a gold block. That's the pendulum. A bit of detail here with a wooden slab, and then I'm just going to put in some doors, and that's a grandfather clock. I'm sure you could make a more elaborate and nicer design than that, but there's a simple one to get you started. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you've gotten some good ideas from this video, and I'm sure that the members on the Minecraft Furniture server are going to come up with a lot of really cool stuff with these new blocks. So be sure to visit our website and drop into the server to check out what our builders can come up with. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.